It's a pickle and cheese, so, well, show. Minus the pickle. That sounds dirty, I know. We have a new guest, and her name is
Cookie.
And she's going to be showing in a lot more videos, and we are going to do some funny stuff like pranks and dares, so if you got anything, just let us know. Right now, we plan on doing... I'm coming over here with it.
Okay.
We're going to do the cracker challenge. I've heard 5 and 7, so we're going to just do 5, and if we get 5 down in a minute, then we're going to try for 7. So either way, we're a winner. You ready? You want to go first? Or do you want me to go first? We should have thought about this before.
Yeah. Wait, so you have to do it one at a time?
I think so. Yeah, so did you think forward to this? Oh, I ain't doing this.
Come on. You can do it. You can do it. You can.
It really doesn't mouth out. Oh, I think this will go faster.
You're at 40. You got 2 more. And you've got 3, 2, 1. Damn. Don't do that. Swallow it. Sorry you had to see that. Oh, God. I tried to make it less. I'm sorry. She loves her mustaches.
I just dropped more crumbs than me. Okay. It's Cookie's turn.
Okay. You ready?
Ready.
Set.
Go. Can we warm one? Can we warm one? Oh, what? If you want to try that.
I will. Leave it to the pack.
It's gonna screw you over, dude. I watched videos where they did that. That's why I chose not to. You're at 30 seconds. You're doing better than I did. You're at 45. What are you headbanging now? For a second, I says. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. At least I moved the extra crackers so we could save them. Oh. That looks gross. It looks like a little biscuit. You see how I feel?
Even the fat kid couldn't do it. Centipede.
Well, that was that, and we failed.
Epic.
Yes, but at least she danced while doing it.
I don't know if that's a good or bad thing. Seeing all this jiggle.
Just went on you. People are gonna get bonies.
So.
Send us messages and post comments below and let us know if you want us to do any other funny things. It'll get better, I promise.
Like dares, pranks. I got one in the works.
Spam.
Woman.
Okay, well, yes, do that, and we promise it'll get better. We're just practicing. So look forward to some more videos. We ain't got nothing else to do. We ain't got no life. If you don't put me in the picture, I swear to the Lord. There you go. I take up some space, but not like a strang bane. Look at my look. Okay, we leave you now. We say bye-bye.
Bye.
Cheese and cookie out.
Catch you next time.
Yes.